In this video, we will carefully evaluate an improper integral, step by step. We start with the integral, from the square root of 2 to positive infinity. Because the upper limit is infinite, we rewrite the integral using a limit. We replace infinity with a variable upper bound b, and then take the limit as b goes to infinity. Now we simplify the integrand. Inside the square root, we rewrite x squared minus 1 by factoring out x squared. This allows us to write the denominator as x squared times the square root of 1 minus 1 over x squared. At this step, we perform a substitution. We notice that the differential of 1 over x is negative x to the power of negative 2 times dx. This allows us to rewrite the integral in terms of the differential, d of 1 over x. Now the integral has a standard form. The integral of 1 over the square root of 1 minus u squared is the arcsin of u. So the antiderivative becomes negative arcsin of 1 over x. We evaluate the limits from the square root of 2 to b. Next, we substitute the limits into the expression. First, we evaluate the function at b. Then, we subtract the value at the square root of 2. Be careful with the minus signs here. Now we evaluate the limit. As b goes to infinity, 1 over b goes to 0. The arcsin of 0 is 0. The remaining term is positive pi over 4. The improper integral converges, and its final value is pi over 4.